Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use Kraken's stop limit order feature in 2025. It's gonna be a quick one. We're not gonna waste too much time, so let's just jump straight into the video. Now the first step, of course, is gonna be to log into your Kraken account using your email address and password. So just go to Kraken's website and log in with your email address and your password. And next, you're going to navigate to the trading page by clicking on the trade tab. So look for the trade tab and click on that. It's going to take you to the trading page, and there you're going to select the market that you wish to trade, such as BTC to euros, or Ethereum or US dollars, or whatever it is. Just go ahead and select the market, and then you're going to enter the amount of cryptocurrencies that you wish to buy or that you wish to sell. And once you've selected that, you can now set the stop price by entering the price at which you want to trigger the limit order. And from there, you can also set the price limits, the limit price, by entering the price at which you want to buy or sell the cryptocurrency. Also, you can select the stop limit order option, where you can select stop limit order option by clicking on the stop limit button. And you can confirm the order by just clicking on the buy or sell button, and then just wait for the order to be executed by Kraken. That's pretty much it on how to use Kraken's stop limit order feature in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next